How the heck do I use Google to find content? I'm going to show you my exact process. Here we go. Here's how I use Google to find content for my business. Let's say that you're a house cleaning business in Red Deer. House cleaning Red Deer. Okay, so up on my screen, I'm going to see sponsored ads, and I'm probably going to see some Google business profiles, but I want you to scroll down past. And now I'm looking at the questions that people are most commonly asking related to the business that I have. So how much should someone pay? How much do house cleaners make? Blah, blah, blah. When I unfold each of these questions, they keep growing. The more times I unfold a question, the more content Google gives me. So if I'm a house cleaning service, the first thing I'm going to do is start to Google whatever people are looking for related to my business. As I unfold each of these questions and answers, then I can simply dig in, create content, create a post, share it on my website, add additional content to my website, because I want my content to most closely match what people are already looking for on Google. And there you have it. How to use Google to find the perfect content ideas, whether you're using them for Google Business Profile or your social channels. Use Google to help you understand the exact questions that your customers are asking. Only 1 week left in this year's Ask Me Anything. Be sure to get your questions submitted.